Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Champagne coming to you again with another great video. I want to talk about 37 creative ways estheticians can earn money beyond the spa chair, you guys. If you're someone like me that is a seasoned esthetician and you were kind of wondering some diverse ways estheticians or virtual estheticians or solo estheticians could expand their income beyond traditional salon or spa services. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Coming in at number 1, you can create online courses. You can develop courses teaching skincare techniques, product knowledge, or business skills for aspiring estheticians. This is a good way to get your foot in the door with online courses. Whatever you're good at, if you're good at brows, teach it in a course. Coming in at 2, you can offer virtual consultations, okay? Provide personalized skincare consultations and recommendations through video calls. This is something that I'm going to be offering once I leave my brick and mortar business to get up and rolling. On my website, I gotta update my website. There's a lot of little things that I have to do that's major things, but little things that has to happen for me to add these services to my business. Moving on to number 3, you can sell skincare products. Sell your own skincare line, okay? Skincare line of products or one skincare product. You could partner with existing brands as an affiliate. So there's many ways to sell skincare products. Number 4, start a blog, okay? This is another thing that I plan on starting to be a part of my income. You can share skincare tips, beauty tips, product reviews, industry insights on a blog monetized through ads. So once you get up running and Google familiarize itself with your website, then you can start running ads and stuff on there as well to make money. Number 5, you can write an ebook. Become an author of an ebook or a skincare routine, DIY treatments, or skincare for specific skin concerns. Write an ebook on basically a how-to guide from point A to point B, but there's many ways you can write an ebook, but ebooks are really great to definitely answer certain questions or concerns and to help somebody achieve a quick win. Number 6, host webinars or workshops. This is really great. You can conduct online workshops on skincare topics or makeup topics, allowing your participants or clients to learn from your expertise. So whether that's in person or online, host these workshops so that they can learn more about a specific topic. Number 7, you can offer membership programs. Create subscription-based programs offering exclusive content, discounts, or monthly product samples. So maybe you want to send out your people who join your membership program, maybe you want to send out lipstick samples, different types of lipstick samples every month, or however that looks. You know, maybe it's a newsletter with tips on how to do certain things every month or every week. However you want, just offer a membership program. That's another way to earn money. Coming in, number 8, affiliate marketing. Promote skincare products through affiliate links on your website or social media platforms. So this is something that I actually do as of now. I have an Amazon Associates account. I just applied for Amazon Influencer, got approved. So you guys might see my storefront in this video as well. Stay tuned for that. Number 9, create YouTube tutorials. Share skincare tips, makeup tips, or maybe you want to share something with another beauty pro on your YouTube channel. This can be done, and as you grow you can monetize and even get sponsorships. YouTube tutorials is the way to go. A YouTube channel is the way to go. Number 10, podcasting, okay? Start a podcast discussing beauty trends, industry trends, skincare trends, whatever that is to you. Interviewing industry experts and sharing advice, monetize through sponsorships and ads. This is another way to make great money. You're literally just sharing, talking, and sharing your advice and monetizing off of it. Number 11, sell printable resources. So you can design and sell printable skincare planners, skincare routine templates, or even beauty journals. The list is endless. There's so many printables that you can sell to help somebody organize something in their life, answer a question something in their life, or like a little blueprint or a toolkit for someone. These are really great to have, and printables are really resourceful. Number 12, freelance writing. Maybe you're a person who likes to write. You can write skincare, beauty related articles for magazines, websites, or blogs. 13, brand ambassadorship. Partner with skincare brands as a brand ambassador to promote their products on social media. 14, online retailing. Set up an online store selling skincare tools, accessories, or complementary products. 15, create a skincare app. This is pretty unique. Never thought about doing it. I'm not really familiar with it, but it's another way you can be creative and make some income. Maybe doing a yearly subscription. Develop a mobile app featuring skincare tips, beauty tips, product tips, personalized routines, and product recommendations, so it's endless. Number 16, offer online workshops. Okay, so host virtual workshops on product, beauty, makeup application, or DIY skincare products. Number 17, sell merchandise. So you can design and sell branded merchandise like apparel, accessories, or skincare or beauty theme items. 18, social media management. So maybe you're somebody who likes the social media aspect of managing someone else's website or social media account. You can offer social media management services to skincare brands or professionals looking to enhance their online presence. Sorry if I look a little tired, y'all. I am. I've been up all day, had a long day today. 19, virtual makeup lessons. So provide virtual makeup lessons focusing on skincare prep, foundation matching, and enhancing natural features. Coming in at 20, create a Patreon. Offer exclusive skincare content, Q&A sessions, or behind the scenes access to supporters on a Patreon platform. Give them that extra benefit, that extra closeness to those who really support you and go in. Coming in at 21, partner with influencers. I have not done this yet, but maybe down the road. Collaborate with social media influencers to promote their services or products to their followers. 22, online retail arbitrage. I have heard of this, and I believe I did a little bit of this on eBay back in the day, and it is a good way to make money. So you can source and resell skincare products or accessories or anything beauty related that's complementary to your services. Online marketplace like eBay or Amazon. Sell digital templates. So you could design and sell templates on skincare routine, tracking, product inventory management, or even client consultations. So digital templates are not going nowhere no time soon. I think they're just as good as printables. 24, create a skincare challenge. Launch a 30-day skincare challenge with daily tasks, tips, and product recommendations monetized through participation fees. So you can charge a fee for someone to sign up for your 30-day or 20-day or 10-day challenge. 25, host virtual events. Organize virtual skincare events such as products, launches, panel discussions, or master classes. Offer online assessments. Provide online skin assessments and personalized skincare recommendations through a subscription-based service. 27, create subscription box. I thought this was cute. Years ago, I've wanted to do this, and yeah, but I think this is another nice way to make some money. You can curate and sell monthly subscription boxes featuring skincare products, samples, exclusive discounts, makeup, the list goes on. 28, offer affiliate programs. Create an affiliate program for your skincare products, allowing others to earn commission by promoting them. This is something that I was planning on doing with my digital content that I create. I just feel like it helps get your stuff out there a lot quicker with people that's in your industry, but they don't want to take the time to create something. So they're looking for other people that's in the industry that they can affiliate with and maybe earn commission off of it. You know, 10, 15, 20%. Offer digital downloads. Sell digital downloads such as skincare guides, cheat sheets, recipe books through your website or social media as well. Y'all know I offer a couple of digital downloads. I've made money. I showed you guys in a few videos, maybe one or two. But yeah, there's ways to make money, you guys. So create those digital downloads. 30, create a Facebook group. Start a Facebook group centered around makeup, skincare, brows, lashes, discussions, and product recommendations. Monetize through memberships. So you can create a membership by creating a Facebook group, have some type of membership set up for those people who follow your Facebook group, and offer some of those things I just said. 31, teach skincare classes. Host in-person or virtual skincare classes for individuals or small groups that are interested in learning advanced techniques. 32, create a skincare planner. Design and sell a printable or digital skincare planner to help users track their routines and progress. 33, launch a YouTube channel. You guys, I've been saying this forever. Start a YouTube channel. Focus on whatever it is you want to focus on. Brows, lashes, makeup. Just make sure it's educational. You can do product reviews. You can do skincare routines. You can do demos. I mean, the list goes on. Just create the channel because the money will come, whether it's from Google AdSense, brand deals, sponsorships, or your own product. 34, offer group coaching. So provide group coaching sessions focusing on skincare concerns, routines, and product recommendations. 35, create skincare templates. Design and sell customizable skincare templates for daily routines, weekly schedules, and or product tracking. 36, offer personalized shopping services. This is something else that I plan to introduce once I shut down my brick and mortar business. I plan to provide personalized skincare shopping services, helping clients select products tailored to their skin type and concerns, or whatever it is beauty related, just helping them shop personally. I think this is a perfect way to earn some money because a lot of people just don't know what to get, and when they have your expertise, it makes it easy for them. In the last on the list, 37, launch a podcast network. So what that means is you can create a network of skincare related podcasts, collaborating with other hosts, monetizing through sponsorship and ads. So maybe you have one podcast group that specializes on acne, the other podcast group focus on makeup and or makeup and skincare. So you could be a network of skincare related podcasters. So that is all I have today. If you guys like today's video and you want to see more video as such, please comment down below and let me know. I will be leaving more videos like this to help us win as estheticians, solo estheticians, and virtual estheticians. And I look forward to seeing you guys again with another great video. Bye.